오늘 아침 진짜 먹기 싫었는데 이렇게 내가 좋아하는 반찬들만 나와주면 안 먹을 수가 없죠. 잘 먹겠습니다. 어제 제가 너무 늦게 자서 오늘 좀 낮잠을 자야 될 것 같아요. 이게 좀만 피곤해져도 면역력이 떨어지는데 코로나는 완전히 면역력 싸움이기 때문에 최대한 피곤하지 않기 위해 낮잠을 자겠습니다. 핑계 아니에요. So, my lunch came. So, this is my lunch. I had asked for another set of patient scrubs, so it came with the lunch. I asked for 3 bottles of water. I'm trying to drink as much water as possible. This is, I don't know what this is. I think it's cabbage tofu soup. Some rice, salad. This, I think it's Korean pancake, I think. And some side dishes, kimchi. So yeah, bon appetit. So just like how the patient scrub came in with my lunch, when I request for something, when I ask for something to be delivered, it usually comes with the meal box so that the medical staff can, minimize their contact, their interaction with the virus. So yeah. So this is the kind of cough that I have. It's really dry and it only comes once in a while. It's a dry cough that it kind of sounds fake. But it's not. It's really not. 오늘은 37.1도. So after I finish my food, I try to remain standing up because sitting down on the bed, sitting down in one position for long, it's not gonna help me with my digestion. And because I've had some stomach aches for the last couple of days, it's definitely gonna make it worse. So I try to walk around. I try to walk around this small room, but I have this urge to, dive right into the bed. Dinner's ready. So this is my dinner. Yeah. I don't exactly know what it is, but it looks good. After lunch, after walking around the room to digest the food, I took a nap again. I think today's just one of those days where I can't get enough of sleep. So, I'm still sleepy. I asked my nurse for medication because I've been coughing a little more than yesterday, and she gave me this. I hope it helps. It says for the symptoms of cough and sputum, please contact or text the nurse before consumption. Last self-check of the day. The oxygen level. It's not working. I think it's out of battery. It's supposed to flash green, but it's not. Oh. Okay, it's working on my middle finger. 99%. I jot this down, 99%. And the blood pressure and the heart rate. So it's 116 to 67 and my heart rate is 68. I finished eating dinner, and just like after lunch, I'm just standing for my food to kind of go down. There's really nothing to do other than just looking out the window. Maybe I'll work out today. Just a little more than I did yesterday. So this is how the sunset looks like today. It's actually a little more pinky than how it looks like on the camera. This window is just filthy dirty. It's so pretty.